Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I just got this in my mailbox. Again, my mailman had shoved it in here and kind of folded this end like this to fit it in my mailbox. I'm like, I don't know what he thinks. It's soft and flexible, so maybe he thought it was clothing or something. I'm pretty sure it's a diamond painting. Anyhow, interesting packaging, right? It reminds me of a caramel apple, and it's got this green, and I don't know. I am not certain what this is. I have an idea, but I don't know for sure. I got no notice that it was coming. If I can get into it, this is probably where scissors would have been more beneficial. No notice that it was coming, if it's what I think it is, and it's really the only thing I can think of that would come in packaging like this. So, goodness, and this plastic is difficult, just difficult. So let me get it out and see if it's what I think it is, and then I'll tell you more about it. If it's not what I think it is, then I got some work to do. Okay, well, look at this. So we're packaged in the green apple packaging, the bag. Now we're in bubble wrap, so it's well protected. You can see why it felt squishy, right? It did feel squishy. But let's see. If this is what it might be, I like how it's coming packaged. I mean, it could be in a box, but you know, at least it's well protected if it's not in a box. It is. Okay, you guys, it's what I thought it was. This is a custom diamond painting. All right, that's a custom diamond painting. Let me tell you where it's from. This custom diamond painting, it looks really good, right? It's gotten flattened a little bit, but it's poured glue. It's a custom painting from a new company called Coodeals. Coodeals. And they want to focus on doing customs, some mystery paintings, a little more, I don't know. I don't want to say upscale things, but that's kind of what I'm talking about. How do we open this? Oh, it opens long ways like this. Okay, so you know that I have been working with GBFKE and fan cells for a while. Both of those companies were really under the management of Allie. Okay, my friend Allie. Well, he got those stores up and running very nicely, and they have asked him to take on a new project, which is basically a new store, a new website called Coodeals. All right. I like this. This is just a little information about my painting. It's got my name, the picture, and the size on it. And so he's asked me if I would like to try out some things at his store. A custom, he really wanted me to do a custom, and so that's what this is. And then I did order some stock products that he has. Those aren't here, so that's a separate order. So let me show you what this is. This is a custom. I went through a couple of ideas. It's got 40 colors. Okay, here's my thumbnail. You guys, you'll know, all right? This is from a recent little mini vacation we took, Dale and I, up to the Traverse City area, and that upper Michigan area. And this is one of the lighthouses that we visited. This is the one that you had to walk 2 miles to get out to. So look, I like this. It has my name at the top, and it has the measurement, 60 by 50. There's a color list here. Letters, numbers, and then we get to the bottom and we get a few symbols, 40 different colors. Now, I have noticed right away, like we're right up here close, so let's look. It does have guide circles. Do you see the guide circles? They're not thick guide circles, and I hope that they're going to be okay on this. Yeah. Down here at the bottom, we have white lettering, and they have white guide circles, but it looks like they're going to be dark drills. I don't know. We'll have to see how this goes. Anyhow, it's poured glue. And it is my lighthouse. This is Big Sable. Okay. And it was just a nice picture of a beautiful blue sky. I'll show you my picture. Oh, the pictures, there's an inventory sheet. I'll show you on there. That looks really good, doesn't it? There's one legend on one side, okay? I do have some suggestions. I'm going to send him some suggestions. One of the suggestions would be, you know, a legend on both sides. This one's not super important to have a legend on both sides because it's not that large. But I will suggest that. And I will also suggest eliminating the guide circles if that's possible. Because, you know, we don't need guide circles. So this is one solid color, but then it starts to mix here with, can you see that there's another? No, it's too glary and it's too dark. You can't see what it is. But it starts to mix with another color, and then it comes over here and mixes with another blue, and then a different blue over here. But, I mean, it's a nice, and I don't even know how much this cost. I'll have to look this up and see if I can figure out how much it cost. Here's the toolkit that it comes with. A white boat, some tweezers, pen, and some baggies, your wax. And here's our drills. So it's rounds. Okay, and it's coming in the packages like this. All right. Well, you know, these are all things that, you know, I can definitely talk to him about. Just give some feedback. See what he has to say about it, you know, we'll go from there. So it does, like I said, come with a nice inventory sheet. And here is my picture. All right. So you see it was just, it's a lot of blue. I know it probably could have been cropped better, maybe something more in the background, but that's all me. This is the picture I sent. So the blue sky, the lighthouse, some trees, and then the, you know, the grass and stuff, grass and sand up in front. But it's got a nice inventory sheet. Tells us the DMC number, tells us how many bags, and then the quantity of drills for each color. So, I mean, that's really nice to have. I will copy this, make stickers out of it, and yeah, it even has my name at the top. Huh? Look at that. So it is coming with these type of drills in these strips, right? Come on. Okay, there's a bunch of this one. So I think these are like 100 or 200 in a bag. Let's see, this is 322. 322 has 24 bags. 4,600 drills. So there's probably 200 in each bag then, right? Yeah. All right. So, I mean, the drills will be nice. I don't think there's going to be a problem with the drills. They look good. Can you see them? Can you see that they actually look really nice? It's just kind of a pain to have to dump all of these out. I mean, this is how my paintings used to come all the time. Like things I would order on AliExpress and whatnot would come like that. You know, and you just kind of knew that and you just got used to it, and you can count and you can do an inventory and make sure all your drills are here for sure. It's just kind of a pain to open up all these multiple bags to kit it up. But you know, I think the drills do look really nice. They've got a nice number on the bag. See? They look good. They look nice and smooth and no, you know, edges or like squished ones. You know, they look nice. So, anyhow, I will go through all of this later. Of course, there's going to be a ton of blues. And then what else do we have besides blues? We have browns. And what else? Our other colors are like over here. Grays and things like that. I bet if that's going to make the, we got purple. a purple and something. But yeah, the grays and these lighter grays are probably going to make the lighthouse, would be my guess. And then we have some other little ones over here. Rust color. I guess there's some rust colors in the little house there. And browns. Definitely going to have some browns down in the ground, the sand and things like that. So, yeah. All right. And some greens. All right. I mean, it is the colors that it is. Blues, browns, greens, you know, it is what it is. Okay. Is this black? No, that's 939. Do I even have black? No, I don't have any black. Okay. Well, that is my custom. Like I said, it's Coodeals. I mean, I think, you know, we're off to a good start here, for sure. I mean, it's poured glue, which, you know, we love poured glue. Yeah, so I will give him my feedback on this and let him know, you know, if we can eliminate guide circles, that would be great. And then I don't know if they can do, you know, the single bags, if they have the capability to do that at this point. But I will suggest it for a future improvement. But there's my picture. All right. Pretty nice. Anything else I feel that you should know about this? Did I show you the little strip here? I don't think I did. This is actually a sticker. It's a little sticker. Yeah, it's got that sticker paper on it. Huh. So you can use that for what you'd like. Great. There you go. So, not a bad start. Okay. So thank you, Allie, for thinking of me and working this up. And I'll let him know my thoughts. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. I will let you go now because I have a million other videos to make. And I'm running out of time. My husband's coming home early today. Okay. All right. I'm going to go and hope you enjoy your day. Have a great day. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. All right. Hit the like button, subscribe. Come back. See more videos. Hang out with me for a while. Check out memberships. And you can always come see me live on Saturday night. We have fun there. We had a good time last Saturday. Woo-hoo. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, everybody.